Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Jumia mobile app works, offering a closer look at one of Africa's leading online shopping platforms. Designed for convenience and accessibility, the Jumia app provides users with a wide variety of products, from electronics and fashion to groceries and household items, all from the palm of their hand. The app allows users to browse curated categories, search for specific products, and check product descriptions, pricing, and reviews. Features like daily deals, flash sales, and in-app discounts make it easy to save on purchases. Jumia supports various payment methods including cash on delivery, mobile money, and bank cards. The app also includes real-time order tracking, and customer support is available directly through the platform. For sellers, the Jumia app also offers vendor tools to manage inventory and orders. In terms of pros, Jumia is praised for its broad product selection, regional customization, and regular promotional offers. The app's interface is user-friendly, and features like push notifications for discounts enhance the shopping experience. On the downside, users sometimes report delivery delays, especially in rural areas, and there are occasional complaints about product quality or incorrect orders. Real user feedback is mostly favorable. Many users say the app makes online shopping more accessible, and they enjoy the convenience of ordering essentials from home. Others appreciate the competitive pricing and customer service responsiveness. However, a few have mentioned bugs in the app or difficulty navigating the return process in certain regions. Overall, the Jumia mobile app is a reliable choice for users looking to shop conveniently within Africa. Its strong catalog, promotional deals, and localized support make it a useful tool for everyday purchases, provided users remain mindful of seller ratings and delivery expectations. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.